The 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Black Ghost, a formidable addition to Dodge's muscle car lineup, brings a heightened level of performance, style, and exclusivity to the market. This high-performance variant of the Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye boasts an array of aesthetic and performance upgrades. Among these are a more aggressive body kit, black accents, and a unique interior. Under the hood, the Black Ghost is fitted with a 6.2-liter HEMI V8 engine, churning out a whopping 717 horsepower. The Black Ghost differentiates itself visually with an array of black accents on the exterior, which lends it its Ghost moniker. The blackened grille, wheels, and exhaust tips lend the vehicle a menacing aesthetic. Available in both coupe and convertible forms, the car offers a level of luxury to complement its performance credentials. Standard features include a 18-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, heated and ventilated front seats, and a sunroof. With only a few thousand of these limited edition models produced, the Black Ghost embodies the epitome of exclusivity. As such, Dodge has called on dealers to submit all orders for the 2023 Dodge Challenger and Dodge Charger, including the Black Ghost, by the end of July 2023. The Last Call initiative commemorates the end of these iconic vehicles in their current forms as Dodge transitions to an electrified future. The end of the production run for the 2023 Dodge Charger and Challenger is scheduled for December 2023. This final wave of orders represents the last chance for muscle car enthusiasts to secure one of these powerhouses. However, in a nod to the future, Dodge is set to release the all-new 2024 Dodge Hornet RT, the brand's first electrified performance vehicle boasting 288 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. The Dodge Challenger SRT Black Ghost signifies the culmination of a glorious era of Dodge's combustion engine muscle cars, celebrating the brand's storied history while pointing towards an electrifying future. With its formidable performance, unique aesthetic, and exclusivity, the Black Ghost is more than just a muscle car. It is a collector's item, a symbol of an era, and a testament to Dodge's commitment to maintaining its muscle car pedigree while embracing the future. The 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Black Ghost is a culmination of Dodge's commitment to delivering unrivaled performance and a unique style that turns heads. It is not just a car, but a testament to the brand's legacy and a glimpse into its electrifying future. As production of these iconic models draws to a close, the Black Ghost stands as a beacon of Dodge's past achievements and its promising future. As part of Dodge's Last Call initiative, all Charger and Challenger models, including the Black Ghost, will be furnished with a commemorative Last Call underhood plaque. This plaque acts as a symbol of the end of an era and provides an additional layer of exclusivity for owners of these special vehicles. 7 Last Call Special Edition models were launched to celebrate the closing chapter of these models, with the Challenger Black Ghost being one of them. Performance and power aside, the Dodge Challenger Black Ghost also offers a high level of comfort and technological advancement. The vehicle is equipped with an array of safety features and advanced driver assistance systems. These technological enhancements do not take away from the car's raw power and performance, but rather augment the driving experience, making it safer and more comfortable. In a nostalgic throwback to its history, Dodge is reintroducing 3 heritage exterior colors for its 2023 lineup: B5 Blue, Plum Crazy Purple, and Sublime Green, along with one modern color, Destroyer Gray. The re-emergence of these colors offers fans of the brand an opportunity to own a piece of Dodge's rich heritage with the power and performance of modern technology. The 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Black Ghost signifies a key moment in Dodge's history. As the company pivots towards an electrified future, models like the Black Ghost serve as a reminder of Dodge's roots in raw, unadulterated power and performance. It's a powerful celebration of the past and a thrilling peek into the future, all wrapped in an incredibly stylish, high-performance package. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.